next gas, that is carbon dioxide. So coming to carbon dioxide, this is another important gas. Humans and animals, they release carbon dioxide, and we can say that the amount of CO2 that is released by the human beings and animals, that is around equal to the amount of CO2 of or the carbon dioxide that is used by the plants. Okay, if they are in equal quantity, they are in equal amount, it means the gas which is produced by or which is used by trees, that is carbon dioxide, is equal to the amount of CO2 that is released by human beings or animals. Okay, so we can say if the trees, if they would cut off by the people, then who will absorb that CO2 which is being released by the human beings or animals? Then obviously the temperature, it is a very harmful gas for human beings, so it would be very harmful for human beings. Clear? So we can say that now this thing that makes a perfect balance, means the quantity of both is equal, but this balance gets upset by some human activities also, like cutting down the trees, burning the fuels, and using motor vehicles. Why? Because of the pollution as well. Okay, now we can say that by these activities, they add billions of tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere of the earth, and that's why the increased volume or quantity of CO2, of carbon dioxide, that affects the earth's temperature and its climate. Okay, so that's why the increased volume and quantity of carbon dioxide that affects the earth's atmosphere, its temperature and climate. Okay, so now there is a fact. Do you know that when the air is heated up, it becomes light. It becomes light and goes up. Okay, or we can say when the air warms or it heats up, it raises in the atmosphere, and the cool air, that is heavy, and because of that, when the hot air rises, when the cool air is heavy, that's why it tends to sink there. Okay, so we can say that warm air that raises up and the cool air that sink down. Okay, वो दबती है. Okay, so we can say that when the hot air rises, cold air from the surrounding area rushes to fill in the gap. Now, what does it mean? The fact is, I told you right now that when the hot air, suppose here the landform is there, okay, and here water body or mountains are there. Okay, so we can say when the air is heated up because of the heat of the sun, it becomes light. And it raises up in the sky. So here the air will raises up in the sky. Okay, but the cool air is heavy, and that's why it tends to sink down. Okay, this is the warm air that raises up and mixes into the environment. But the cold air, whenever the air raises up, then there will be vacuum, there will be space. Yes, so the cold airs, they will fill up the gap where the warm air was there. Okay, that's why I was saying that when the hot air rises, then cold air from the surrounding areas, they gushes to fill in the gap. Okay, that's how air circulation takes place. Clear? We were talking about carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide released in the atmosphere, that is spreaded in the atmosphere, it absorbs the heat of the earth, or it absorbs the heat of the sun rays. Okay, it's called a greenhouse gas. What is a greenhouse gas? Greenhouse gas is that gas that absorb the heat of the earth or the heat of the sun rays, heat of the sun. That is called greenhouse gas. Like carbon dioxide, methane, these are greenhouse gases. And what is greenhouse effect? And these greenhouse gases are responsible for greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? This is a process in which, because this is a natural process, there is no need to make some efforts by all of us, by human beings. So it is a natural process in which the earth's atmosphere get warm, okay, and the temperature that increases, clear, by a natural process that is called greenhouse effect, and because of the greenhouse gases that absorb the heat of the sun, clear. Now without it, or without carbon dioxide, the earth is too cold to live in. When the temperature of the earth increases due to some gases like carbon dioxide, or by by any type of pollution, smoke, car fumes mean smoke that release from the cars or the vehicles, okay. So it's called global warming. Global warming mean when because of the pollution, because of these gases, when there is in the temperature of the earth that increase highly, so it's called global warming. And because of because of global warming only, the temperature of the earth that is increasing day by day, and because of it the snow is melting in the coldest parts, okay. The sea level rises and causing flood in the coastal areas, okay. And there can be some other drastic changes also in the climate of a place that can lead to the extinction of the animals and plants on the different parts, or on the particular parts of our earth. Now what is the meaning of, what does it mean that extinction? Extinctions mean the species of the plants or animals which are endangered, which are in danger, and they are getting low day by day, and at the end there will be no sign of that species at last, okay. Then extinction mean unka khatam ho jana, to destroy, okay. So it can lead, this global warming, the pollution, that can lead to the extinction of some animals or the plants in the long run, okay. So this was about atmosphere, composition of the atmosphere, and how these gases that is in the composition of the environment or atmosphere, how these gases come into effect, okay. So this was about it. Hope this is clear to you all. I'm giving you some questions, you have to write their answers and send in your WhatsApp group. So first is, what is environment? First is what is atmosphere? What is atmosphere? Second question is, which gas is in the highest amount in atmosphere? Which gas is in highest amount in the atmosphere? Next, which gas is directly absorbed from the air, and which is useful or which is absorbed by the soil of the plants, okay. So first question is, what is atmosphere? Second is, name the gas which is in highest amount in the atmosphere, and the last is, name the gas that is directly absorbed by the soil of the plants. So these are the three questions, you have to write their answers. Hope this topic is clear to you all.